Ha kajingkanra ka basayso kabayat lang ka Land Port Authority Dawki katanat custom bat ki BSF ha ka arpun rail trik nailar kila penlong kajingkanra ha Land Port Dawki ya kaway ka bas ka ba na Dhaka shishlong ha ka ni kajingkanra ka balawan long ru hadin ka jingyo jingtip ka batik na ka kenhun kalalap ya ki artali ki benta baburi jong ka bas ya shibun ba ki tiar kitar ki bakantup ya ki jain sari mobile phone tiar rupa tiar mobile ki machine nyo pisa lembat ki weipat ki jai tiar. Na kaliang ka superintendent katanat customs ka kong Clara Nongrum ka pentip bahalor ka ni ka jingyo kurup lakem no ya laingut kinong Bangladesh na kabenta ban penlong syusyu ya ka jing tokin. Kat ba ya ki arpu prangut ki beri kebedan hapu kate ka bas lapen biang ya ka bam ka di lembat ki weipat ki jingdon kam da ki bor bedekmi jong ka Land Port bat kinong shnong bat hadin na penpaipat ya ki lingba ki jaka kaput ke India Bangladesh. Haba penpau halor ka ni ka jingjia u manager ka Land Port Authority TC Chako ulaong bakilayo ya ka jingtip ka babnia ba ka ni ka bas ka day ka bala penyai da ka Shyamoli NR Travels na Dhaka Shillong bat Shillong sya Dhaka kakit ya shibun kimar. Halor ka ni ka jingyo jingtip la penlong ya ka jingtalasi ha ka balalap ya ki artali ki benta balas na kerpang kaway hapo jong ka chassis bat kaway pat ha ka benta ka krum jong ka bas ha ka bala buri shibun pa kimar ki mata. Kini kitiar balayo kurup ki kentup ya kumbalai pau kilo ka rupa shispa prapau tali ki banarasi sari bat shispa shipau tali ki mobile bat ki weipan. Hadin bala jurib benia la IT no asya katanat custom ha ka bayadei bat kesin jam ban kurup no ya kini kimar. Ucaku ula benrap ru balada kini kimar balayo kurup ladakin syongdor palat san pulak tingka an kiam yiki badan keti kat kum kendon an jongkat tanat custom.
Secret information that this bus which is coming from Shamoli Travels, which is coming from Dhaka to Shillong and back, both incoming and outgoing, they carry some contraband items. So accordingly we had a check and we could detect 2 secret chambers underneath the chassis and by the side of the boot, and we recovered those items whatever we saw. We, as per our input, it is silver weighing around 30 kilos about and roughly and around 180 odd Banarasi saris and a lot of electronic items etc. It is inventory is being taken in detail. All the legal formalities, seizure, etc. are being done by the customs. So the rest of the things you can contact the customs and get details from them. They are the authority to handle the thing. It was an operation jointly with the BSF, the customs, the OC of Dawki PS, and with the help of the like Madam Dolly and all the responsible citizens of Dawki. As the Dawki area, we do not, the Dawki citizens basically, they do not encourage any kind of illegal activities. That if the value of the items after the customs mandate, if the value of the items, total value of the items seized, if it crosses 50 lakhs, they will be arrested. Otherwise, the rest of the formalities you can please take it from the customs.
Halor ka jing yok kubor ka batikna ka team jo ka customs rengkat bat ki BSF bat ki officers na ka Land Port Authority nilai obat ya ka bos ha ta ka bos habang nilai yo ki sari na ka ki mobile phone bat ki wiwi tiar ki ba ni kat kum ka jing pet jungi ki dai ki rupa di karni ka rupa ka don ap khandai kg bat yakini ki bangi obat hadu menta ngilang syubat menta ke investigation bat ya kabasa ning sa pentip hadin